labantu laba bazojikela mina la khona umuntu ugwazwa manje nihleli nje yabo ngisale ngase Hillbrow le building la khona nalo alinama lights yabo kuvuka la headings leya kimi ukuthi no man you're not supposed to be here. Manje baningi labantu kune chair kunani sesikhumulisiwe khona lapho sihleli. It was hectic. That's when the script turned ukuthi no man
I can't subject myself to
I
this.
can't subject myself to this. Mangicabanga ukuthi ngiphume ekhaya eligrand ama opportunities wami ukuphila impilo egrand wonke alana yabona. So why should I live this life yabona ngoba labantu labo they don't care about life but mina I still have this picture ukuthi ngingaphila impilo egrand. That's when ushintsho wayenzeka yabona. But ngithema ngitshela uma oledi ukuthi man ngifuna ke rehab oledi that
ngoba kade
ayazi lenkulumo lena yabona. So wena uzosho uzoyenza ngithi azazi izinto ekumele uzithole ukuthi ufuna ke rehab ngathi bengizenza namhlanje maybe ngiyenza icopy lelinye langa ngenze ini yabona ngizibeke la oledi la ngithi okay so bona yabona angina nefone angikwazi ukufonela social development ngizitholela ibooking ukuthi ngibone social worker yabona. So yeah I respect
yo yes what an experience.